Success on the HSPA CRCST Exam 2026 isn't about memorizing questions, it's about understanding sterile processing at a deeper level. Many students struggle because they don't know how to identify instruments correctly or apply concepts under real exam pressure. Welcome to Certify Edge. In this video, you'll go through exam-level CRCST questions with clear answers and explanations to help you think critically and pass with confidence. If you're serious about passing the CRCST exam, make sure to subscribe and stay consistent with practice. Let's get started. Question 1. Which instrument is specifically designed to grasp delicate tissue without causing trauma? A. Coker forceps. B. Alice clamp. C. Adson forceps. D. Hemostat. Answer, C. Adson forceps have fine tips for handling delicate tissue with minimal damage. Question 2. What is the primary purpose of a ratchet mechanism on surgical instruments? A. Improve grip texture. B. Lock the instrument in position. C. Increase cutting ability. D. Reduce instrument weight. Answer, B. The ratchet allows instruments to remain clamped without continuous hand pressure. Question 3. Which instrument is most appropriate for clamping blood vessels? A. Needle holder. B. Hemostat. C. Scissors. D. Retractor. Answer, B. Hemostats are designed to control bleeding by clamping vessels. Question 4. Why must instruments be assembled in an open or unlocked position? A. Improve storage space. B. Ensure proper sterilant contact. C. Increase instrument weight. D. Reduce assembly time. Answer, B. Open instruments allow sterilant to reach all surfaces. Question 5. What is the key feature of Metzenbaum scissors? A. Heavy blades. B. Short handles. C. Long handles with delicate blades. D. Serrated tips. Answer, C. They are designed for cutting delicate tissue with precision. Question 6. Which instrument is used to hold suturing needles? A. Hemostat. B. Needle holder. C. Forceps. D. Retractor. Answer, B. Needle holders securely grip needles during suturing. Question 7. Why is correct instrument identification critical in sterile processing? A. Improve appearance. B. Prevent surgical delays and errors. C. Increase packaging speed. D. Reduce sterilization time. Answer, B. Incorrect instruments can lead to surgical complications. Question 8. Which instrument is commonly used to retract tissue during surgery? A. Scalpel. B. Retractor. C. Forceps. D. Clamp. Answer, B. Retractors hold back tissue to provide surgical visibility. Question 9. What distinguishes a curved hemostat from a straight hemostat? A. Weight. B. Color. C. Shape of jaws for access to deeper areas. D. Sterilization method. Answer, C. Curved jaws improve access in confined or deep surgical sites. Question 10. Which instrument is used primarily for cutting sutures? A. Mayo scissors. B. Suture scissors. C. Forceps. D. Clamp. Answer, B. Suture scissors are specifically designed for cutting sutures safely. Question number 11. Why should damaged instruments be removed during inspection? A. Improve storage. B. Maintain patient safety. C. Increase load size. D. Simplify labeling. Answer, B. Damaged instruments can fail during surgery and harm patients. Question 12. What is the function of a box lock on hinged instruments? A. Provide balance. B. Allow smooth movement of jaws. C. Improve color coding. D. Reduce weight. Answer B. The box lock ensures proper alignment and movement. Question 13. Which instrument is best suited for grasping heavy tissue? A. Adson forceps. B. Alice clamp. C. Dressing forceps. D. Thumb forceps. Answer B. Alice clamps have teeth for holding heavier tissue securely. Question 14. What should be checked during instrument inspection? A. Color only. B. Function, cleanliness, and integrity. C. Packaging style. D. Storage shelf. Answer B. Inspection ensures instruments are clean and working properly. Question 15. Why is proper assembly of instrument sets important? A. Improve appearance. B. Ensure efficient surgical workflow. C. Increase sterilization speed. D. Reduce cost. Answer B. Proper assembly prevents delays during procedures. Question 16. Which instrument is used to cut heavy tissue or fascia? A. Metzenbaum scissors. B. Mayo scissors. C. Iris scissors. D. Suture scissors. Answer B. Mayo scissors are designed for tougher tissue. Question 17. What is the main purpose of instrument stringers? A. Increase weight. B. Keep instruments organized and open during sterilization. C. Improve appearance. D. Reduce cost. Answer B. Stringers help maintain instrument positioning. Question 18. Which instrument is commonly used for holding dressings? A. Hemostat. B. Dressing forceps. C. Needle holder. D. Retractor. Answer B. Dressing forceps are used for handling sterile dressings. Question 19. Why should instruments be arranged in a standardized manner? A. Improve color coding. B. Ensure consistency and efficiency in surgery. C. Reduce weight. D. Increase packaging speed. Answer B. Standardization helps surgical teams quickly locate instruments. Question 20. Which instrument has serrated jaws to prevent slipping? A. Needle holder. B. Hemostat. C. Retractor. D. Scalpel. Answer B. Serrations improve grip on vessels and tissue. Question 21. What is the risk of incorrect instrument assembly? A. Better sterilization. B. Surgical delays or errors. C. Increased storage. D. Improved workflow. Answer B. Incorrect sets can disrupt surgical procedures. Question 22. Which instrument is used for cutting delicate eye tissue? A. Mayo scissors. B. Iris scissors. C. Metzenbaum scissors. D. Suture scissors. Answer B. Iris scissors are designed for precision in delicate procedures. Question 23. Why must instrument sets be complete before sterilization? A. Improve labeling. B. Ensure all required tools are available during surgery. C. Reduce packaging. D. Increase load size. Answer B. Missing instruments can delay procedures. Question 24. Which part of a surgical instrument provides the working end? A. Handle. B. Shank. C. Jaw. D. Ratchet. Answer C. The jaw performs the actual function of the instrument. Question 25. Why are multi-part instruments disassembled before cleaning? A. Improve appearance. B. Ensure thorough cleaning of all parts. C. Reduce weight. D. Increase speed. Answer B. Disassembly allows complete removal of debris. Question 26. Which instrument is commonly used to hold back organs or tissue? A. Clamp. B. Retractor. C. Scissors. D. Needle holder. Answer B. Retractors provide exposure of the surgical site. Question 27. What is the purpose of tip protectors? A. Improve color. B. Protect delicate instrument tips. C. Increase weight. D. Improve packaging speed. Answer B. They prevent damage during handling and sterilization. Question 28. Which instrument feature prevents slippage when holding needles? A. Smooth jaws. B. Serrated jaws. C. Flat surface. D. Rounded edges. Answer B. Serrations improve grip on needles. Question 29. Why must instrument sets be verified before use? A. Improve storage. B. Ensure accuracy and completeness. C. Increase speed. D. Reduce sterilization time. Answer B. Verification ensures all instruments are present and functional. Question number 30. What is the primary goal of surgical instrument assembly? A. Improve packaging. B. Ensure safe and efficient surgical procedures. C. Reduce cost. D. Increase load size. Answer B. Proper assembly supports patient safety and surgical efficiency. That's it for today's CRCST practice. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Certify Edge for more high-level exam questions. Every day. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.